Hey folks, this is Derek with Panic Preventers. Today I'm going to show you how to install a social distancing floor decal on your floor. So one of the questions we get asked more than anything else, how long will our floor decals last? It totally depends on your preparation of your floor and how people are walking on it, how many people are walking on it, the condition of their feet, are they tracking stuff in? You know, there's all kinds of things. So it's really hard to say. I can tell you this, we've got an outdoor decal on our sidewalk that's been there for over a year, still looks great. So just depends on how you do it. Now, here's what we do. First thing you got to do, you got to have rubbing alcohol. We're going to prepare the floor with rubbing alcohol, and you need a device. If you ordered 20 or more of our decals, you get one of these for free. This is we call it a sign squeegee, and that's going to help us make the decal come in good contact with the floor. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've decided I want this thing to be here, so we're going to use rubbing alcohol. We've got it in a squeeze bottle, cover that floor pretty good, and we're just gonna really clean the floor good. Now, if you could mop with soap and water first, probably not a bad idea. It's the floor, there's dirt down there. We wanna get as much of it off as possible. Then the rubbing alcohol is a great idea. The next thing we wanna do, now if you've got a very specific place you want it to be, you can take masking tape and put it right across here and then peel, measure, get it all perfect the way you want it, and then peel this side up, cut that off with scissors, and then push that down. In this case, I just want it on the floor, so I'm taking the whole thing off. I'm gonna kind of put it where I want it, about where I cleaned. I'm gonna let the middle touch the ground first, and just lay it down like that. And then I'm gonna take my squeegee, and I'm gonna start in the middle and work my way out. And I'm gonna cover every square inch of this thing with this squeegee. That's it. Look, I did it in dress pants. It's easy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at Panic Preventers.